Department of Social Welfare Government of Manipur today observed World Day Against Trafficking Persons on the theme Call Your Government to Action at lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound, Imphal. Chief Minister N. Biren will attend the passing out of parade of the 5th batch of Manipur Rifles, Indian Reserve Battalion and CP tomorrow at Manipur Police Training Center campus, Pangai. Condemning the mysterious death of baby Sana, an infamous rape case of Unnao district in Uttar Pradesh, and demanding for justice, members of Manipur Mahila Congress Committee today staged a sit-in protest in Imphal. Guwahati in Assam has taken another big step towards becoming women and children friendly. According to reports, it will be mandatory for restaurants, hotels or shopping malls in the city to give free access of using the washrooms to women and children. If any hotel, restaurant or shopping mall refuses to provide the service, then penalties would be levied. With opposition been pressing for a division of votes during the passage of many bills, BJP President Amit Shah today told party MPs to ensure their presence in parliament so that draft legislations are backed by maximum number of lawmakers.